My name is Paul Chifwata. So what we are going to illustrate here is what we have been running and practicing. So our effort here is to demonstrate the semiconductor circuits. So I'm going to illustrate how it is done, and our achieve is normally we want to light up two lights with the use of the relay, the switch, as well as two bulbs and the diodes. Okay, so I'm going to illustrate how it is done. This is an electronic board. Okay, so a battery. This is our battery. I'll put it here. This is our battery there. Okay, these are connectors. Okay, once you see this line, it's a connector. Okay, I put my connector there. Another connector here. This is a switch. This is a normal open switch. Okay, this is a normal open switch. I'll put it here. I'll connect it here. Okay. And what we have, this is a core. This is a core of a relay. So this is the relay. Once you put them together, they make a complete relay. Okay. So my relay, my core, I'll put it here. I'll connect it here. And my relay is here. Okay, that's my relay. My connectors, this is my connector. Okay, connector, we connect. Okay, this is my diode. This is the diode. Okay, so my diode is here. My diode is here. Okay, this is my lamp. Okay, this is what I'm trying to achieve. A bulb is there. Another bulb is here. My connector is here also. Okay, and this is my connector. It's my connector. It's my connector. And this is another connector here. Okay, my connector here. This is the ground to the core. Okay, this is the ground to the core. This one is, this connector is working like a step down transformer. Okay, but inside there is a rectifier inside. Okay, what we are going to inject from here is the AC voltage. Okay, and what will come out from this inside through the rectifier, it will be the DC voltage. So the selection, it has a selector. There is a selector switch here. Okay, so you select which length of voltage that you want to apply on your circuit. So your voltage, I've already selected 12 volts. Okay, I'll connect this on my battery here. I'll switch on my AC. What I expect here is a 12 volts DC. Okay, to be sure to say this is 12 volts DC, what we have selected from here, I'll use my multimeter here. Okay, so my multimeter, I'll select it to 20 volts DC. I'll select it. Okay, so this is my multimeter. To measure the voltage here, the 12 volts that I want, we'll select it to 20 volts. Okay, and then we'll switch it on. Okay, power on. Okay, as can be seen. So this probe, the black probe, is a negative, and this is a positive. This is a positive, the lead one. I'll put my black probe here, which is the negative side of the battery, and the positive probe on the on the positive side. What is leading on the multimeter there is what actually is in the circuit from our charger there, which is 11.4 volts DC. Okay, so we are sure to say 12 DC is coming, 11.8 DC is coming here. So I'm going to switch my switch. As soon as I switch my switch, what I'm expecting is the relay, the core of this relay, okay, it's going to energize. By energizing, it will make a magnetic field inside. As soon as it makes that magnet, it's going to pull these contacts. Okay, there are contacts here on top of the relay. It's going to pull the contact, it will cross these contacts, and the direction of the current or the voltage will move from here. Okay, it will go this side through the diodes. This diode is only allowing the current or voltage just to move in one direction. Okay, so this is what is happening. You can see I'm switching on my circuit now. Okay, so this is the achievement that we wanted to achieve, and it's correct. It's giving us. If you switch it off from the switch, okay, I've switched it off. Okay, so thank you so much for following this illustration.